Hi, in this video I will be explaining you how to calculate the LPS value. See, when we are using the algorithm of KMP, that is a pattern matching algorithm, when we do the first step, we need to know the LPS value, that is your failure function values for a given pattern. Okay, so in this video I'll show you how to calculate that LPS value. Let me take one text over here. Okay, see, let me take a text. Okay, so I am going to check whether this particular pattern, sorry, this particular pattern a b c d a b c y, I will check whether this pattern is present in a given text or not. But before that we have to calculate the LPS value for this. See, what you are supposed to do is, okay, write this. Okay, I will show in the form of a table because I feel that showing in the form of a table is easy. So like this. Okay, so let's continue. So we have the table, we will write a table like this. Okay, and in that table we will have that pattern, and in the next row we will write the LPS values for it. Okay, so here, see, I will write identification number. Okay, so like this. The idea is, if you want to find the LPS value, okay, what you're supposed to do is, okay, first value will always be 0. First LPS value will always be 0. Then what you're supposed to do is, take that first character and compare it with the second character. Okay, that means you're comparing the index 0 and index 1. So I'll write here, this is indexes, okay. These are indexes, and we will do the comparison. Okay, and we'll write the LPS value over here. Okay, so we will do the comparison 0 and 1. So A is equal to B, no, it is false. So the LPS value is 0. So we'll write LPS value over here. Then you will keep that 0 and you will move to the next character 0 and 2. So it is A equal to C. Okay, because 0 and the character under second index, so A and C, so that is also false, so this also will be 0, so 0. Next is 0 and 3, so A and B, so you will see that they are in unequal, so this is also 0. Okay, next, let me move it. Okay, so next one is, sorry, let me draw the straight line. Like this. Next, 0 and 4. 0 and 3, 0 and 4. So if you see, the character under 0 is A, under the character under 4 is also A. So A is equal to A. Now this is true. A is equal to A. So now the index value changes to, sorry, the LPS value changes to 1. So here it is 0, this becomes 1. Now what you are supposed to do is, once you have the comparison which is equal to true, now you move to the next index over here. So I will move to index 1 and I will increase the index as always. So 1 and 5. So 1 and 5. So under 1 we have B and under 5 we have B. So this is also true. Now we have 1 over here, right? So now we will write 2. Okay. So it is true. So because it is true, we move to the next character, and here also next character 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Okay, so here it is C, and here also it is C. This is true, so this will become 3. So this is 2, this is 3. Okay, because it is true, we will move to the next character. So it is 3 and 7. Under 3 we have D, and under 7 we have Y. So you check, it is false. So this becomes 0. So this is how you will calculate. Let me take one more example. Okay, we had, I think, one example in the model QP also. So I'll try to solve that question. Okay, so give me a minute. This is the question paper. So where is that question? Here. Okay, so here the pattern is A B C D A B D. Okay, A B C D A B D. So let me try to solve this one. Okay, again I will write it. This is just for the simple understanding. Okay, algorithm we have used various variables. So let me see the values once. A B C D A B D. A B C D A B D. A B C D A B D. Okay, so here again these are the indexes. One I'll keep for this is not required, this is just for our understanding, and whatever the comparison you will do for that, and one is to write the LPS value. Okay, so here I'll give the numbers 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can give any numbers, I've given like this. Okay, so first index will always be, sorry, first LPS value will always be 0. Then you take 0 and you will compare it with the next one, 0 and 1. So it is A equal to B. A is not equal to B, so this will become false. So sorry, this will become false, so this value is 0. This value will become 0. Now because it is false, you keep the left index as it is and move to the next index. Okay, 0 comma 2. So it is A comma A is equal to C. This is also false, so this is also 0. Next is 0 and 3. 0 and 3. A equal to B. This is also false. So this is 0. Now come to the next one. 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4. So A equal to A. A equal to A. It is true. So this value changes to 1. Okay. Now next one. It is, once it is true here, you will go to the next index 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5. 1 is B and 5 is also B. So this is true. So this becomes again 1. Not 1, because 1 is already present, this will become 2. So here we have 0 0 0. Okay. This is also 0, 1 and 2. Next, once it is true, we move to the next one, that is 2 comma 6. 2 comma 6. That is C is equal to D. It is false. So the value is 0. So this value is also 0. This is how you will calculate the LPS value. I have one more problem. So let me try to solve that also. Okay. Where is it? Yeah, here. Okay. So the problem is, it goes like this. The pattern is here. Okay, let me start. It is A, B, C, A, B, C, A, C, A, B. Okay. This is the pattern. I'll find the LPS value for this. Okay. I don't have the space for, okay, let me move it a little bit. Here. Okay, please don't mind the lines. Okay, I am trying as much as I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so we will try to do the LPS table for this. Remember, the first value is always 0. So this will have the value 0. Okay, then take the next index and start comparison. So, okay, 1 minute. Start the comparison. So you will start at 0 and compare it till 1. 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1. So 0 is A is equal to B. So it is false. Correct? A is not equal to B. So this is false. So this value will be 0. So the LPS value is 0. So 0 and 2. 0 and 2 is A equal to C. So this is also false. So this will become 0. So this is 0. Next 0 and 3. 0 and 3. So 0 is A and under the third one we have A. So this becomes true. So this is LPS value changes to 1. Now once you have true, I told you that you have to move to the next index. So 1 comma 4. So it is B comma B. B equal to B. Sorry. So B is equal to B. So this is true. Now we have 1. So we have 2. Next 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5. So under 2 we have C. Under 5 we have C. So this is also true. So this becomes 3. So we have found like a matching pattern. You see A, B, C and here also A, B, C. Now because we have found not true, then we will move to the next position. 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Now this is where most of them get wrong. Okay, let me write it this value. See, let me use a different color to differentiate. See, while we are comparing here, we are comparing the element that is present in third with the element that is present at sixth. You have to remember this. You are not comparing it with the initial element. Okay, so you are comparing with 3 and 6. So this is the first occurrence of this A, right? So this will take the value 1. Okay, so this is false, this is true. So it will take the value 1. Next 4 comma 7. Okay, 4 comma 7. So if you see 4 comma 7, what is the value? B equal to C. B equal to C is false. So this value becomes 0. Okay, let me take the next one. Because it is false, this value will be retained and this index changes. 4 comma 8. So it is B equal to A. So which is also false. So again this will be the value 0. And we come to the next one, that is 4 comma 9. So it is 4 comma 9 is B equal to B, which is true. So this becomes 1. This is how you will calculate the LPS values. Okay.